Welcome to our channel. Today we're showcasing the top 5 cordless drills under $150 on Amazon, selected for their outstanding quality and value. This list is based on performance, affordability, durability, and user feedback. Check the description for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for the best reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit DCD71C2 is the perfect combination of power, efficiency, and convenience for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This kit includes a versatile drill, 2 20V lithium-ion batteries, and a charger, ensuring uninterrupted performance. With a maximum rotational speed of 1500 RPM, it handles tough tasks effortlessly, whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic. The lightweight, ergonomic design provides excellent control and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Powered by a 1.3 amp motor, it delivers consistent power without compromising portability. Say goodbye to messy cords and enjoy the freedom of battery-powered efficiency. The DEWALT 20V Max Drill Driver Kit is built to deliver reliable performance for all your drilling and driving needs. Number 2. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set. Introducing the AVID Power 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Drill Set, the perfect combination of power and versatility for your DIY and household projects. This compact and lightweight drill is battery-powered, delivering 20 volts of consistent power with a maximum speed of 550 RPM, ideal for precise drilling and screwing tasks. Equipped with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, it allows for quick and easy bit changes, while the 16-position torque settings offer control for various materials. The kit includes a 15-amp motor, rechargeable battery, charger, and 22 drill bits, giving you everything needed for any task. Designed in a sleek red finish, this drill is a reliable, budget-friendly tool for beginners and professionals alike. Grab yours today. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill Driver Kit, CMCD 700C1, a versatile tool perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This drill features a powerful 20 volts battery, delivering a maximum rotational speed of 1500 RPM, ideal for drilling into wood, metal, or plastic. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use. The 1/2-inch chuck provides a secure grip on various drill bits, enhancing precision and control. With 1.3 amps of power, this drill offers reliable performance for heavy-duty and everyday tasks. The kit includes a long-lasting battery and a fast charger, keeping you powered up for extended projects. Upgrade your toolkit with the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill for unmatched power, convenience, and durability. Order yours today. Number 4. DEKO Pro Red Cordless Drill. Introducing the DEKO Pro Red Cordless Drill 20 volts, the perfect combination of power and convenience. Designed with women in mind, this lightweight yet durable drill driver is battery-powered, ensuring complete portability for all your DIY and home projects. It features a 20-volt motor delivering a maximum speed of 1350 RPM, making it versatile for drilling and driving tasks on wood, metal, or plastic. The 20-amp power ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for extended use. With a complete kit including a rechargeable battery and charger, this cordless drill is ready to tackle any project. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the DEKO Pro drill offers reliability and efficiency in one compact tool. Number 5. Dedeo Tool Set with Drill. Looking for a reliable and versatile toolkit? The Dedeo Tool Set with Drill has you covered. This 110-piece household power toolkit includes a cordless hammer drill powered by a 21-volt lithium-ion battery, offering long-lasting performance for all your DIY and home repair needs. The cordless design provides flexibility, while its lightweight, ergonomic build ensures comfort during use. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this powerful drill delivers efficiency and precision. The kit also includes essential tools for everyday repairs, making it perfect for homeowners and professionals alike. With its durable components and convenient rechargeable battery, the Dedeo Tool Set is your ultimate home improvement companion. Get yours today and tackle any project effortlessly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.